everyone, welcome back to Everyday Health Savvy, where we talk about wellness, healing, and how to live a healthier, empowered life every day. Today's topic is heavy, but it's one that affects millions of people, and that is healing from domestic violence. But specifically, we are going to talk about something that doesn't always come up in medical conversation, and that's how faith and spirituality can help in that healing journey. Whether you are religious, spiritual, or just searching for strength, we want to show you how leaning on something bigger than yourself can give you the power to keep going. Domestic violence is not just bruises or yelling. It leaves emotional scars, spiritual confusion, and broken trust. You may feel lost, ashamed, or like you don't know who you are anymore. I have known survivors who felt like they lost everything, including their identity and faith. One woman told me, "He made me feel like I was worthless. I stopped praying because I thought God didn't care." And that broke my heart. But the truth is, trauma doesn't cancel out your connection to God or the power inside you. In fact, faith can become the anchor that holds you while you heal. So how exactly can spirituality help during and after abuse? Let's break it down. Number one, faith gives hope. When everything feels dark, faith says, this is not the end of your story. That alone can keep someone going when they want to give up. Number two, it reminds you of your worth. Most abuse survivors struggle with self-worth. Scripture and prayer can remind you you are loved, chosen, and valuable. Number three, faith builds community. Churches, spiritual groups, even online faith circles can be safe places to reconnect with people who care and want to see you thrive. Number four, spiritual practices calm the mind. Prayer, meditation, worship. These are not just rituals, they activate peace in the nervous system and restore mental balance after trauma. And for those who say, have been hurt even by people in the church, we hear you. Faith is personal. Your connection to God doesn't have to go through people who fail you. If you are trying to heal and you are not sure where to start, here are some gentle faith-based steps you can take. Start with one honest prayer. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just say, God, I'm hurting. Help me heal. And that's it. That's powerful. Read or listen to a daily devotional. There are apps like YouVersion or Abide with free devotionals for healing from trauma. Or like you can speak affirmation rooted in truth, like, I'm not what happened to me. I am loved and I am healing. And remember, healing is not linear. You will have good days and hard ones, but every step is still forward. If you are watching this and you have experienced abuse, please know that you are not alone. There is healing, there is hope, and yes, there is life after trauma. Faith is not about pretending everything is fine. It's about trusting that even in brokenness, God still sees you, loves you, and has more for you. If today's message touched you, share it with someone who might need it. Like, comment your thought, and subscribe for more real conversation like this one. And if you are in immediate danger, please reach out to a local hotline or shelter. You are not alone. Until next time, stay strong, stay faithful, and stay health savvy. Bye-bye.